Assalamu alaikum guys and welcome back to the Digital Dynamo. So today in this video I will show you how you can develop a game without any coding language expert. So first of all you know the basics of game development in which software you will be create a game which is a Unity 3D. This is the best software for creating games. I don't show you all the process. I will teach you some AI features where you can easily create a online game. So now, and the second, which is how you can online your game and which platforms are better for online in your game process. First of all, just search here, open any Chrome browser of your external PC and search here Bard or ChatGPT, which want to use chatbot. I want to use ChatGPT. So I want to use now Bard. So Bard AI. Now open this and here behind. First of all, search here Google. Uh, don't use Google. We use only Bard for these. Uh, Tell him please suggest game names and the games which is tell me simple games for easy to develop. Here is a simple game ideas for developer. Number one is a Pong game, and number two is a Big Packer, and number three is a Snack game, and number three is Tick Toe. So in this video, we will create this game Tick Toe, and just copy this thing and paste here. Sorry, and copy this one and paste here. So my keyboard is, I think, very badly working. That's why I am not writing a correctly mistakes. Now I tell him write the program code of Tick games game with full. I'll bracket these things, this game name. I'll bracket and now bracket. Programming code of Tick game with full active and zero errors. Now I'll share. You can add more details, write HTML and CSS and Python, JavaScript, add these for more functionalities and more things. Here is a code which is used for the game and I will online use, you can numerate source he is using, just copy the code and here online. I think this is a Python language code. So compiler, editor, and interpreter. I'll paste here. My internet is totally slow. I think that's why this code is not working. You can easily use other or just click here and check the hello world and paste here your own code. Paste and click here. So now you can check player X, enter your move and 1 to 10. So this game is uncompleted. If you add more sections here, you can tell him please correct, and you can add more features. You can easily develop a game through AI and AI chatbot. Now you can check these. Now you can check. He can write the all code which you want. So Allah Hafiz, and we will meet in the next video. Please share this video with your friends if you want to a game developer without coding. Thank you. Bye bye.